So here's a Cuckoo watch on Bluetooth 4.
Yes, Bluetooth 4.0, Bluetooth Low Energy. This is a connected watch. What differentiates it from most smartwatches is that this one right here does not require recharging. You can use it for almost up to a year, and it won't require recharging. When it's time to replace the battery, you can simply replace it by putting a new CR2032 button cell battery right into the watch.
So let's walk over there. So
Sure.
What is the company name?
So we're ConnectedDevice, and ConnectedDevice is a company that produces multiple connected products. So if you follow me here, we'll show you our booth. In our booth, you can see that we've got actually more than one connected product. We have the Cuckoo watch, which you've seen here, and we've got the new watch, which is the Cogito watch. The Cogito watch is kind of the evolution of the Cuckoo watch concept. It's the next generation of watch that we're coming out with this year. And what makes it extremely interesting is if you have a look, you can see there's actually a display up here, a pixel display, that'll show you a little bit more context about what's going on.
Is it the prototype stage, or what is it?
Well, we've got one. I've got one on right here. So it's in the near completion stage. So we'll be launching this sometime in the late fall. We're announcing it today.
So does it work, this prototype?
This is a working one. It's currently connected to my mobile phone. Obviously, we're...
Try to over here.
Sure.
Yeah. So you turn your wrist up here. Yeah.
Okay.
So my focus from here. So this is a fully working prototype?
This is a functional prototype. It is, we've still got some things that we're finalizing, but it is a watch that is nearing the completion stage. So you can see, for example, it still says Cuckoo. That's just because it's got some demo version firmware.
So, how do you make something like this?
Putting together any product is a very complicated process. However, we are a multinational company with experts in each of their fields that are located throughout the world. Our headquarters is in Hong Kong, and we've got experts in the U.S. We've got designers in Paris, France, and through that, we're able to put together the necessary components that allow us to assemble a product like this. It's not easy. We've got a lot of history, though, in the space, and so as a result, we're able to turn out new and innovative products like the Cogito and the Cuckoo watch.
So what's inside? Is it an ARM processor?
Actually, inside, what we've got is we've got a Bluetooth processor. What that means is it's a single chip solution. It's a TI-based solution in this case. It's called a 2541.
Is that ARM?
It's not ARM-based. It's actually 8051 based.
All right. So the battery is really long, and these icons there, call, battery, are fixed. I mean, there's just that.
Right.
Those.
So there's icons in each of those fixed positions, and we chose to use that approach because we wanted this product to be a scannable product, not a product that that you have to sit down and read. Rather, we wanted one where if you could have a look at it for just a second, you'd get all the information you needed to make that decision of whether to pull the phone out of your pocket.
So there's lots of talk about smartwatches.
Mm-hmm.
How many people are doing similar things to what you do right now? There's something from Casio, maybe a little bit?
I think we're seeing a lot of growth in the smartwatch sector right now. We've got big players like Samsung who've just announced their Gear. They're lending a lot of credibility to the space, and to us, that's a hugely beneficial thing because obviously it brings much more attention to watches such as ours that are really watch pluses. They're fashion watches with a twist.
So, since you don't integrate Android and all that stuff, in theory it could be cheaper, right?
Well, I mean, we are we're selling these watches at the typical price that you'd expect to pay for a fashion watch, and what that means is, whereas these Android watches and everything are focusing on all of the technology that they've packed into a watch, our approach is fundamentally different. We're focusing on the style and the beauty of the watch, and giving you just that little piece more that allows you to make a really important decision that'll save you time, which is, do you want to take that phone out of your pocket, or would you rather keep it in your pocket right now and have the experience that you should be having at your current location?
Did you talk about retail price target?
Sure. We sell this product right here, the Cuckoo watch, sells at $129 today, and the Cogito watch will be selling between $149, $169 to start, and going up from there with some of our models, of course, being a little bit more expensive and having nicer finishes.
Did you talk about like some kind of bulk pricing here? Fair, you do, right?
Well, we talk about bulk pricing on a case-by-case basis, depending on what the form of distribution is and how people are going to be presenting the product. Obviously, we can do everything from FOB to distributed pricing.
So people can just contact you and say what they're thinking, and you tell them what you think.
Yeah, we encourage people to contact us with any questions. We've got sales at ConnectedDevice.com, and that's a great way for people to reach us. Alternatively, we've got much of the team here. We're a multinational team. We can handle each of the different countries that you might want to sell into. Currently, we sell into 117 countries, and we're happy to entertain distribution in different channels.
That means a lot of watches.
Well, we're quite happy with the response so far.
How many?
We don't talk about that.
But it's probably many.
It's enough that it keeps our doors open.